Okay, this question concerns the graph of y equals e to the 2x plus 3. I've written that by the diagram so that I can actually just come down here to look at the question. We've got to find the exact value of the area of the shaded region. You know by now that questions about areas under graphs you do using integration, so you've got to set up an appropriate integral with the limits on. The equation of the curve is a fairly standard result to integrate. So apply your standard method for integration, put the limits in correctly, you should be fine. It says an exact value. That means you need to leave your answers in terms of, well, in this case it's probably going to be e's, isn't it? Then region B is indicated on the diagram. Find the area of region B, giving your answer in the form p e to the 8 plus q e to the 4, where p and q are numbers to be determined. Okay, this is quite a common question for people to get stuck on, but if you just stick with it, and if you've got an answer for the area of region A in its exact form with ease, you shouldn't be too badly off. You need to use the diagram they've helpfully given you. The area A plus the area B plus this rectangle here all combine to give the area of a larger rectangle. And both rectangles you can find the areas of because you know the x coordinates of each of these points. But to use those to find the areas of the rectangles, you need to find the corresponding y coordinates, so you need to substitute your two x values into the equation of the curve in order to find the right y coordinates. And these y's will come out in terms of e's as well. You're expecting to see powers of e to the 8 and e to the 4. You will get some number parts without e's in as well, but when you come to combine your answers, so you need to think about your area A, the area of the small rectangle, and the area of the large rectangle to end up with what you're required to find, which is the area of region B. And when you do the required subtractions and so on needed to do that, then the only terms will be an e to the 8 term and an e to the 4 term. So it's really worth persisting with this. These 4 marks are actually not difficult at all, even though people find this an unfamiliar question. People do tend to give up too early on it. Don't let that happen to you.